If you purchased a Medicare Supplement plan because you decided you did not want Medicare Advantage, you don't care about all the sexy extra benefits, you want to be able to go to any doctor and any hospital, you like the attributes of a Medicare Supplement plan, but it doesn't have any dental, right? So you can buy your own dental. It's called standalone dental benefits. And you can buy it at any time of year. There's no enrollment period, and there's no pre-existing condition either. They're going to take you. Some of them have age limits, like 18 to 65 or 18 to 75 or 18 to 80. They're all a little bit different. And of course, how much benefit you get will be different. You might get a plan that gives you $1,000 worth of dental coverage a year, or $2,000, or $3,000. $5,000 is going to be very rare. $3,000 would be more towards the high point of what's available nationally. But again, it's national. Your state will determine how good a dental benefits you can get. And then your budget, right? Your budget always determines how good of benefits you can get. If you're 65 in most of the country, you can get a dental plan for about $35, $45 a month. Now people go, well, that's great. I thought it'd be much more. Well, it's cheap because you're not getting that much of a benefit, right? You might only get $2,000 worth of coverage a year. So you'll pay your monthly premium. Let's say it's $35. Then you'll have a deductible, and it's not high. It's like $100. Then you get to a cost share. Maybe you pay 50-50, or every plan is different. Then you get to the part where they say, okay, waiting period for the big stuff. Otherwise, everybody would get it, get their crown and their root canal, and cancel it. So the principles of insurance have to work to weed those people out that want to just pay for 1 month to get coverage and leave. Otherwise, insurance would collapse. So they have waiting periods for the big stuff. Some of them have waiting periods for everything. Some say as soon as you buy it, you can get a cleaning or an extraction or an x-ray. Like I said, every plan is different. And we work with lots and lots of different dental companies. Now, some of the ones that I like the most don't just have dental, but they have a little vision included so that you could get like an annual well eye exam. Some have hearing aids, like maybe $500 towards hearing aids. So a dental, vision, and hearing. But it's really loaded, front loaded with dental benefits. Some are only dental benefits. So it's what you're looking for, what you need. But the main thing about dental insurance is you want to buy it before you need it. Kind of like all insurance. You don't wait till your house is on fire to call up and try to get house insurance. You won't get it. So if you buy dental insurance, ideally at 65, when you're aging into Medicare, even though you don't have any big things on the table right now, in 3 to 4 years, when you might have something expensive, you've already gone through the waiting period. So the time to look at it is before you need it. Now people call us and they go, I need it right now. I just went to the dentist and he gave me a quote for 10 grand. Okay. Medicare Advantage might be your best route because Medicare Advantage, if your plan has good dental benefits, which they're kind of getting scaled down a little bit, but if it does, there's still some with tremendously rich dental benefits. Well, there's no waiting period. Most of them have no separate deductible. And as long as you go to dentists in their network, you could go and get thousands of dollars of coverage immediately. So if you need immediate care, a standalone dental plan, probably not going to be the solution to your problem. You're going to pay cash, negotiate a discount, go to Mexico, do something else, but standalone dental is not. Standalone dental plan is, I know down the road that things are going to wear out. I've had these teeth for 70 years and I know I've seen my friends and my family and I know I'm going to need some things down the road. That's the perfect person to buy it. Now, again, I've turned about half as many people away from buying dental insurance as people that I've said, go ahead and buy it. And the people I turn away are the people that I ask, how often do you go to the dentist? And when they say, oh, I go twice a year, I get my cleanings, I'm right on it, I'm very, very strict about that. That's the person I would encourage to buy a dental plan. If you're like, well, I should go more, don't buy it. I don't want you to buy it because you will be mad. We've worked with thousands of people, and the people that say, no, because you're going to see that $35 coming out of your checking account every month. You're not going to the dentist. You're not using your insurance. You don't see a benefit. And after a year or two, you get mad and you cancel it. So just save us all the time. Don't even buy it. If you're the person that goes twice a year and is right on top of it, you're the person that should look into dental insurance. If you want an appointment to talk to our team, you can just go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, little yellow box, book your appointment. And we can talk to you about dental plans or dental vision and hearing plans, what they look like and the prices in your area. Again, you can do it at any time of year. and there's no pre-existing conditions. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.